Benvenuti. Welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with parts of body in Italian. Corpo, body. Corpo. La testa, head. La testa, head. Next one is la faccia, il viso, face. La faccia, il viso. Viso is masculine. Capelli, hair. Capelli, hair. Capelli. Must subscribe to my channel, everyone. Occhio. Occhio, a single eye. Occhio. Occhi, eyes. Plural. Occhi, eyes. Plural. Must subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Okay, everyone? Our next word is nose. Naso. Naso. The nose. Naso. Il naso. Mouth. La bocca. Mouth. La bocca. Bocca. It's a feminine word, so we will use the article la. La bocca. Mouth. Our next word is tooth. Dente. Singular. Denti. Plural. Teeth. Dente. Denti. Orecchio. Ear. Singular. Orecchio. Plural. Orecchi. Orecchi. Collo. Neck. Collo. Neck. Our next word is chest. Petto. Petto. Chest. Must subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.